Kathmandu has always had an approach, a peculiar approach, I should say, to picking their foreign players. Going for big names, but with a hint of caution. This time, Kathmandu seems like they are going all in. First, by trading their marquee player Sompal Kami with Chitwan's marquee player Dipendra Singh Airi. Then acquiring the global spin sensation, our very own Sandeep Lamichhane. And now, with probably the biggest buy in the history of EPL, which frankly, I have shivers just mentioning.
जुन लास्ट 1.5 वर्ष या 2 वर्षबाट जुन एउटा कोरोना कालबाट हामीहरू गुज्रिराखेको छौँ, आई थिङ्क यो मानव सभ्यताको एउटा डिफिकल्ट फेज अफ टाइमबाट हामी गुज्रिया जस्तो लाग्छ. टुरिज्म र स्पोर्ट इन्डस्ट्री वाज द लाइक मोस्ट वर्स्ट हिट. टुरिज्म इन्डस्ट्री त लगभग धराशायी नै हुने स्थितिमा आयो. तर वी आर नट अ टुरिज्म इन्टरप्रेनर. तर हामीले त्यो इन्डस्ट्रीमा केही गर्न नसक्यो पनि एटलिस्ट स्पोर्ट्स इन्डस्ट्रीमा चाहिँ हामीले केही गरौँ भन्ने एउटा इच्छाले एउटा हाम्रो एउटा कर्पोरेट सोसियल रेस्पोन्सिबिलिटी हिसाबले, किनभने यो स्पोर्ट्स हाम्रो एउटा प्यासन हो. दिस इज नट अ बिजनेस फर अस. हाम्रो लागि एउटा प्यासन हो. यो देशप्रति एउटा नेपालको एउटा युथप्रति एउटा स्पोर्ट्सप्रति हाम्रो पनि केही उत्तरदायित्व छ भन्ने हिसाबले नै हामीले यो इन्डस्ट्रीमा अगाडि बढेको.
स्पोर्ट्स इन्डस्ट्री तपाईँले हेर्नुहुन्छ भने दुनियाँभरि एकदमै महामारीले गर्दा एकदमै अप्ठ्यारोमा परेको थियो. तर गुड थिङ इज थिङ्स आर मुभिङ अन. हामीले हेऱ्यो अहिले रिसेन्टली तपाईँको युरो कप पनि कन्क्लुड भयो. ग्लोबली तपाईँको जति पनि फ्रेन्चाइज क्रिकेट्सहरू छ अराउन्ड द वर्ल्ड, फ्रेन्चाइज फुटबल अराउन्ड द वर्ल्ड, all the sporting occasions are back in place. So since EPL began in 2016 and EPL today after 5 years and 4 seasons, I see a lot of growth and a lot of big things happening around EPL. Kathmandu Kings 11, I've been jaile bachcha नै म avid sports lover भएकोले क्रिकेट जहिले पनि एकदमै मेरो स्पोर्ट्समा प्रायोरिटी हुन्थ्यो. इभन I was to play cricket. I was the captain of my cricket team. And मैले जब IPL आएको थियो तपाईँको अराउन्ड 12-15 वर्ष अगाडि, I saw IPL and I was little egoistically jealous भएको थियो कि why not this tournament in Nepal. So I always thought that day that I will own a team in नेपालमा यस्तो केही भयो भने. So Amir gave me an opportunity and I was always clear in my mind कि नेपालको सबभन्दा ठुलो फ्रेन्चाइज काठमाडौँ सिटी नै मैले लिन्छु. अनि we were able to take over Kathmandu as a city, and we named our franchise Kathmandu Kings 11. Today we are here to make our big announcement. So at Kathmandu Kings 11, to do justice to our franchise, to do justice to Kathmandu city, we have always tried to invest and we have always been ahead of the curve. And this season is again very special for us. Kinaki yo season ma we have been fortunate to have a lot of good Nepalese players with us. हामीसँग यो सिजनमा नेपालको स्टार क्रिकेटर लेग स्पिनर सन्दीप लामिछाने हामीसँग हुनुहुन्छ. हामीसँग एक्सप्लोसिभ मिडल अर्डर ब्याट्सम्यान र अलराउन्डर दिपेन्द्र सिंह ऐरी हामीसँग हुनुहुन्छ. उहाँ आज हामीसँगै हुनुहुन्छ बिचमा. अनि एक्साइटिङ हामीसँग विकेट किपर ब्याट्सम्यान सुभाष खकुरेल हाम्रो टिममा हुनुहुन्छ. अनि उहाँसँगै वी हेभ अ लट अफ अदर यङ एक्साइटिङ प्लेयर्स. सो वी आर भेरी फर्चुनेट बिकज हाम्रो पनि एउटा मन्चाय के छ एज रमेश कर्प एउटा बिजनेस ग्रुप भएपछि think local, go global.
Ladies and gentlemen, big round of applause, the iconic player for Kathmandu Kings 11, Boom Boom Shahid Afridi. Boom Boom coming to Kathmandu, coming to Everest Premier League, and Boom Boom Kathmandu Kings 11. What a moment this is for Nepali cricket, for Nepali sports, for the Everest Premier League and Kathmandu Kings 11. Arguably the most popular name in world cricket, Shahid Afridi. We have another global sensation, not just Shahid Afridi, in the Kathmandu Kings 11 team. So that's why I told you that they're going all in this year. Sandeep Lamichhane, and he has a special message about this association with Shahid Afridi and Kathmandu Kings 11. Let's have a look.
We are really excited to see you here on the field, and I personally know you're going to have a great time during your visit to Nepal. Can't wait to see you joining the team and rocking on the field, which you always do. Take care and congratulations.
Shahid bhai, Assalamu alaikum. Belated Eid Mubarak.
आपको भी बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो.
How are you doing?
Well, all good. How are you?
Doing very good. In fact, this is a dream come true for me to have a global sensation. We grew up watching you, honestly, and so excuse my shivers and excuse my nervousness as well. Shahid bhai, how excited are you to play the Everest Premier League for Kathmandu Kings 11 this season? First time in Nepal?
Yeah, well, this will be my first visit to Kathmandu. And, I'm really excited and looking forward to visiting Nepal and in front of its lovely people.
Have you heard of Nepali cricket? I know. Sandeep Lamisane, our global spin sensation, plays in the PSL as well. What have you heard about Nepali cricket so far?
Honestly speaking, nothing. But that the only thing I know, the people they love cricket there. Great initiative. It's everyone who is trying to make it happen, deserving appreciation. EPL will be a wonderful opportunity for all the youngsters to share their dressing room and field with experienced players. It will help to learn how and show their talent.
Questions, press?
Okay, I think I should ask again. So I think everybody's pretty much clear that EPL is going, really good, and it's going to prosper in coming years as well. So where do you see EPL in, let's say, the Everest Premier League in Nepal in the coming days? Do you see it competing with the famous, or let's say the popular franchise cricket tournaments in around the world? Do you see in that manner?
I think it's all depend on the Nepal cricket board. I think very good like both. Depend how competitive cricket is gonna play, and I think management have a key role to bring some more stars, not just that video. They'll bring some more 3-4 stars, and every year they can play with some big names, and it will be good for the what I said before. Their dressing room, they will play with them. They can learn a lot from them. So I'm hopefully they will play a big part in this.
Thank you, Shahid bhai.
Shahid bhai, what have you heard about Nepal? We're known for our majestic mountains and beautiful touristic sites all over the world. Are you looking forward to enjoying some of that here in Nepal as well?
Definitely, I heard a lot. I know the people, they love cricket. They are the hospitality is very good there. And I've never been there, so that's why I love to come this beautiful country.
Well, thank you very much, Shahid bhai. Thank you for taking time out of your busy schedule. We'll look forward to having you here, and like the press is anticipating, a huge number of sixes from your bat. Thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, Shahid Afridi.
How much are you looking forward to even bigger projects or even bigger, initiations? How do you look yourself at in coming years?
Like I said, right, we at Kathmandu Kings 11 like to take it big. So we have always been thinking big. So not in coming edition, along with Shahid Afridi, in this edition, we also have other exciting foreign players that we are looking to welcome to Nepal, who are actually very active in Nepalese cricket scene global cricket scene right now, and they are more than willing to fly over to Nepal. So definitely, I mean, even in this edition and in the editions moving forward, as and when our cricketing infrastructure improves, in Kathmandu or across different cities, I would like to speak on behalf of Amir Akhtar that we would want to have this franchise league, around the country, and with that we will see, a lot of current, young or aspiring or cricketers who have been very good in in the cricketing scene from test nations would be coming to Nepal to play with us, because over the period of time we have been seeing an overwhelming response. Before we used to reach out, we had to reach out to them. Now all these cricketing players, agents are actually reaching out to us to come and be a part of our team. So I think this is what we have been able to build of EPL as of today.